Hey guys, welcome back. As I said in previous session, in this video I will talk about the default shortcut keys and how to set customized shortcut keys. Previous session I have discussed about some options and user graphic interface. Go through previous sessions if you don't have idea about user graphic interface. I have posted the link in description box. As you can see here, I have made a list of important shortcut keys which are regularly used while meshing. So if you want note it down, pause the video and you can note it down. And also I will put these shortcut keys in description of this video. In left side, whatever you can see in left side, this is shortcut keys corresponding that in right side it's their function. Now we will open the Hypermesh and we will see how we can utilize these shortcut keys in Hypermesh. Now I have opened the Hypermesh tool to understand how these shortcut keys are helpful. Let's take an example. Suppose if you have imported a geometry, that geometry requires 2D set of elements. In Hypermesh, to create those 2D set of elements, you have to go Automesh panel. So to reach Automesh panel, you have to go 2D panel. Again, you have to go Automesh panel. So it will take two steps. Instead of that, if you use your shortcut keys, so shortcut keys for Automesh panel is F12. If you press F12, directly you will jump to Automesh panel. Suppose let's take another example. Suppose if you want to go project panel area. So what you have to do? You have to go tool and project. So this is how you will reach project panel area. It also takes two steps. And instead of that, if you press Shift F7 simultaneously, you will directly reach project panel area. So this is how you will reduce your work time. Like this, there are so many shortcut keys, and we will see these shortcut keys while doing meshing. For our comfort level, we can reset the shortcut keys in our own way. For that, you have to reach preference. In preference, you have to go keyboard settings. So in keyboard settings, you will find so many options or shortcut keys already in default. Suppose if I want to reset the shortcut keys, let's take an example. For time being, I don't want to F2 as shortcut key uh, for delete, and I want space as shortcut key for delete option. For that, I will clear the command corresponding to F2 and rewrite the same syntax in command corresponding to space. Now I am going to clear the syntax corresponding to F2 and I will rewrite the same syntax corresponding to space. Now I am going to clear. Now I will go to space and I will rewrite the same syntax. hm underscore push panel space flower bracket delete. I have to write as same as that. We can reset however we want depend upon our comfort level. Now I will click apply. OK. Now space becomes the shortcut key for delete. Now I will press space. See, you will find a delete panel area. So this is how you can create shortcut keys. Okay, now we will see how to export the shortcut key file. We'll go to keyboard settings. In keyboard settings, I already saved space as a shortcut key for delete. So space as a shortcut key for delete. Now I will export this file. I will export. I will export in desktop only. File name is shortcut key. Shortcut. I will export I will save this and it is automatically exported. I will you can import the exported file so that you cannot reset the shortcut keys again and again. Now I will show how to import. Go to Preference, Keyboard Settings, File, Import. This file is there here. You open. Okay. So now it is not necessary to reset the shortcut keys again and again. Thus we understood about the shortcut keys. We will stop this session now. In next video we will talk about how to create nodes and how to edit nodes. Thank you for watching video and keep watching.